Hey everybody, it's George from georgejmount.com. I'm an analytics blogger and Excel enthusiast. Here's some reasons why I really love Excel and why I think that you should go to the Excel Pakistan conference. So I don't know if you ever had this in Pakistan, but I remember growing up and seeing this McDonald's sign all over the place, that billions and billions had been served by McDonald's. And it kind of conveyed the message that you couldn't really go out into society and be a consumer without at some point going to McDonald's. Now, this isn't a perfect analogy, but I think Excel is kind of like the McDonald's of business analytics. It's hard to ever really go anywhere without using Excel at some point. And unlike eating McDonald's every day, using Excel every day will make your life better. Employers frequently cite Excel as one of the most sought after job skills, and even the CEO of Microsoft has admitted that Excel is the best consumer product that it offers. So when you're learning Excel, you're placing yourself at the foundation of an ecosystem that ranges from career development with LinkedIn to open source software with GitHub. Two things that I've really enjoyed about Excel. First, the creativity. So in my blog, I've written about things ranging from getting weather reports real time from the internet, bringing them into Excel. If you're a fan of the show Seinfeld, I did a post looking at how you would calculate whether a trip to Michigan to pay off the bottle deposits would be a cost-effective trip. So almost anything you can model in Excel, and just that creativity, that power to be able to develop and look at things in terms of data is one thing that I really enjoy about Excel. Now, the second thing I enjoy is the community, and I've developed such a great network of friends learning and teaching each other Excel, people from all over the world. And that's how I met Raheem. He does great things with Excel Basement, really enjoyed following him online, and he would be no better person to hang out with on a Saturday, learn about Excel. Excel Pakistan conference sounds great. Wish it was a little bit closer from Ohio, but I wish you all the best. Hope you can make it out to the Excel Pakistan conference. So please, let's connect and keep on excelling.